Hello, guys. Welcome back to Blazing Football. I'm here with Aditya Shankar. We're going to do the match preview and the starting 11 for the match Brighton versus Liverpool. Okay, Aditya, what are your initial thoughts on this match?
I think Brighton are a really good side, and they have all the players have a really good aerial ability, and that is one thing. And Brighton have been in a decent form. I wouldn't really say they are not in a good form, though they lost against Manchester United, who are in. But I can't really say they are in a bad form by that result because United are in a fantastic form. And Liverpool had a shaky game, I would say. It wasn't convincing, Aston Villa, but they got through. So I think it'll be a good game.
What do you think about the lineup for this match? Do you think Klopp is going to make some changes like he did for the Aston Villa game where Origi and Naby Keita were there in the team, or do you think he's going to go with the strong side to get the 3 points?
No, I think he will make a change. He will make a change. By he will make one change in the midfield, and I think he might drop Divock Origi for the game.
Do you think Minamino should get a chance for this game? Because Origi,
Yeah,
even though he played against Aston Villa, he was not very convincing. So do you think?
I'm sure you know what I told in the review video.
Yeah,
I mean, I don't really know what he did.
yeah, that,
I just don't know what he did. So I think he should be dropped, and it's better he comes off from the bench. I mean, I don't want him to start the game, and I think Klopp would do the same.
do you think like Firmino should play or give a chance to Minamino to prove himself?
I think Minamino should get a chance today. I mean,
Okay.
yeah,
Even I think like this victory is not very important, but for the 100 points, you might go all out because you need that 100 point record.
yeah. Though Klopp says that
Yeah,
it's not what they're thinking, but I'm pretty sure that that is something they want. So
like after this, after you won the cup, definitely that Man City match and that Aston Villa match has been quite shaky by Liverpool. So what do you think has been
yeah,
because they were not in the right mood after winning, or do you think they still need time to come back to their own self?
I think Aston Villa game, Mane was fine. I mean, he wasn't like how he was against City. Trent had a decent game. Robertson was very shaky in the first half, and then slowly he picked up. And Joe Gomez had a fine game. And I think it was more of a tactical issue against Villa, with Chamberlain and Keita in the midfield and Origi up front. So I think that's where he's going to make that change.
Okay, now let's get right into the starting 11. What do you think Klopp is going to pick for this match?
Goalkeeper again, Allison,
No change.
the
Yeah.
same, no change. And right back, I think he might go for Nico Williams today. And
He
he might
scored the
give
last game
the
as well.
no, it was Curtis Jones
Oh,
who
sorry.
scored.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, but I think he will give Nico Williams today a chance. And center backs are going to be Joe Gomez and Van Dijk. And the left back is going to be again Andrew Robertson. And midfield, I think he's going to go for Fabinho, Henderson, and Keita as the midfield trio. And the front three, I think he'll go for Mane, Minamino, and Salah.
Okay. Like your team is goalkeeper is Allison, and the back four you're going with right back is Nico Williams, and the two center
Yeah.
backs are Joe Gomez and Van Dijk, and the left back is Robertson, and the midfield
Yeah.
is what did you say? It was
Uh,
Fabino,
Fabinho, Henderson, and Keita.
Fabino, Henderson, and Keita. You're taking out
Yeah.
Chamberlain from the last game.
Yeah.
Okay. The front three is Mane, Firmino, and Salah.
Not Firmino, Minamino.
Minamino, sorry. Okay. Mane, Minamino, and Salah. Okay. Yeah, guys, that's the starting 11. But before ending this call, I want you to share some thoughts on what do you think about Naby Keita. Like people have like rated him very low, but what are you as a Liverpool fan? How do you rate him?
See, I think when he plays well, but then he has a lot of injury issues, and he has been out for a lot of matches he has missed over the 2 years. So we hope that he stays fit, because he's a guy who can actually break the lines, and he has that creativity in him, which I feel the other midfielders lack. So I feel he's much more creative than Wijnaldum. The other thing is Wijnaldum covers the ground. I mean, he keeps running. He covers the ground. But then Keita is more creative. I mean, I'm sure you saw the assist in
Yeah,
the last game.
yeah.
That was perfection. That there was a lot of precision in it. So he has that in his game, but then he needs to stay fit. So if he doesn't stay fit, I don't think there's any point in keeping him then. No matter how talented you are, you need to stay fit.
Okay.
So
So guys, that is the starting 11 for the match Brighton versus Liverpool. You can give your own lineup in the comments right down. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.